So Scalpers have made the brand new Tri-Foldable, the first Tri-Foldable phone that came out a couple weeks ago, impossible to afford. Because it is now sitting in a price tag range of $6,000. That's right, the first Tri-Foldable phone released a couple weeks ago in China from Huawei for a price tag of $3,000 MSRP. Scalpers have taken that and doubled that already, going up to $6,000 to $7,000 already. I know on some websites this is close to $10,000, which is absolutely insane, but we kind of expected this from Scalpers, especially when it comes to, the rarity of this product. When it's only released in China and you're trying to get this in other European countries or anywhere near China, you're going to have a humongous problem, because unless you get it directly from the source, which again will sell out within seconds. I know it's crazy to say this, $3,000 seems like a crap ton of money, but there's a lot of people in this world who have a lot of money. So especially because they know they can take this and resell it for double, if not triple, the value, and that's exactly what's happening. So if you want to pick this up, good luck, because it is right now sitting on eBay for around $6,000 to $9,000, and I say up to 9 because there are different variants. You have the 512 gigabyte version, which is 16 gigabytes of RAM, and then you have a 1 terabyte version, who are currently sitting at $7,000. And you can see this, whoever the seller is, they have 5 of this phone. So they bought 5 of these phones for $3,000 each, which is what, $15,000 there. Then they also bought 5 of the other variants, so they spent $30,000 on these phones just so that they can upsell it, double the price, and double their money. Which again, there's always a chance that no one buys them, right? They probably will sell, in all honesty. None have sold yet from this seller, but with how many are being posted, it's definitely a risk. I mean, if you're a scalper, I will tell you one thing. You are risking a lot, because to spend $30,000 and just hope that these sell, you're really just hoping, So again, it's a typical scalper crap where, you end up having to just accept the fact that scalpers ruin a lot of things. But hey, listen, it's capitalism, okay? People make money, and that's kind of how all this situation works out. So shout out to Scalpers, because $30,000 is a lot of money to invest into this. But if they do, if they sell them, they're going to make all their money back, and some very quickly. So it's kind of like the whole situation where, you're risking it for the biscuit. But chances are, again, if you sell one, you're already making back twice your money. So I think that's kind of how they look at these things. But definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Would you ever pick this up? Obviously, for MSRP, I'm not talking about for $6,000. But for MSRP, would you pick this up? I still, with durability issues, $3,000 is already, I think, a stupid asking price and way too much money. I understand why they ask for that much, because of how much it costs to make it. But I think that's already is a ridiculous asking price. So now that you add on to the fact that you have, Scalpers doubling the price, nah, not even close. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.